this is Lila, and here I am near the Pantheon, at the backside of the Pantheon. The Pantheon is a mystery. She's a god. She's eternal. She's been here for 2,100 years and still standing. The biggest dome ever constructed without iron reinforcement is the Pantheon. So come to Rome and visit with Lila. Follow Lila. Looking at the Pantheon, having an aperitif, and dreaming. The Roman Pantheon is one of the best preserved of all ancient Roman monuments. It was originally constructed by Agrippa at the end of the 1st century BC and subsequently restored several times. It went through heavy restructuring during the reign of Emperor Hadrian, and in the year 609 AD, it was converted into a Catholic church dedicated to Saint Mary and the Martyrs. It is a perfect elliptical form that measures 142 feet in diameter and has an open oculus to the sky. The building is a rotunda with a portico and large granite columns from Egypt. It is famous as the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Over 2,000 years old, and it still looks majestic. It is a functioning Roman Catholic church today and houses the monumental tombs of the first and second kings of Italy and the tomb of the Renaissance painter Raphael Sanzio. But to learn more about this amazing building, you have to come here and we can visit together. You have to come here. It is too important for just words. The Pantheon is like a god. It is eternal and it will always be here. There is a mystery to its eternity. Would you like to know what it is? Come and feel its magic and let me introduce you to this eternal God and reveal some of its secrets, but not all. Follow Lila.